Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. Today I want to share an attitude, a big idea today, rather than I generally try to share practical tips, but today I just want to make a case for leaning towards optimism and taking action. The importance of that. Very often it's easy for all of us to fall into fear or worry, and rather than action, to fall into kind of waiting to see what's going to happen. And then waiting to see turns into never taking action, right? Very often that can happen. And there are times when worry or concern and not taking action are appropriate. But I'm talking about in general, having a mindset for yourself and for your company of optimism and taking action. And that is because a couple things. Let's say optimism. What do they say? A lot of the stuff that we worry about never happens anyway, and it keeps us from moving forward. So trying to keep an optimistic attitude in your company is important because not only does it affect you, it affects all of your employees and staff who are working with you, and then their attitude spills over into how the customers perceive our company. So it's kind of a contagious thing. So optimism is very important. And the second thing is leaning towards taking action. And there's so many things, it's kind of hard to put your finger on it. But sometimes when you take action, there's just something about doing it, getting up and talking to the customer, talking to the employee, taking the action. All of a sudden we feel better. Even if we fail, we feel better. Why? Well, because number one, we may have learned something, and we failed, that's okay, but we've learned something, or maybe we succeeded. Either way, we're gaining knowledge and we're gaining confidence. So today, I just want to make a case for trying in yourself and myself to keep an optimistic attitude and a tendency to lean towards taking action so that we can learn and gain confidence in our business and that others in our company see that too. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.